We are back at the Terrace Club, staining this bar structure outside. This will be the first time we've done something like this since we're usually working on fences. The first thing we'll do is mask these lamps, take off this neon sign, and they've already removed all the interior. I'm also going to soak the screen down here in some mineral spirits. I need to go get a new screen. The last job I was at, it was pretty clogged, so I had to manually clean it with a rag. So I'm gonna hopefully get some of the residue removed with that while I'm setting up. You'll see. So you can see I've downsized the mineral spirits bucket. I did start off with a 5-gallon about, I guess, a year ago, and as it's been used and filtered out, I've kind of downsized. So here's the screen. It's pretty nasty. I need to get some new ones, but keep on hand. But for now, I'm just going to soak this while I set up, and hopefully not have any issues drawing in the stain like I did about a week ago. Alright, we're gonna let the screens and the tip sit in there for a minute, a couple minutes, get set up. Alright, we are prepped and ready to stain. So we're doing a clear coat today. Show you kind of how we're applying it. Okay, this is a wrap on this outside bar. We got one more small fence to do while we're here. So I'm gonna clean up and head over to that fence. All right, so we're at this small little fence section here, and it's just blocking these AC units here. So we're gonna get this stained with a new color, actually, and today we're matching that deck back there and some other fence we've done with using a slate color from Stain and Seal Experts. All right, here's that finished small fence with the slate color, semi-transparent, and we're done for the day.